What's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your hood support struts on a 2004 Toyota Avalon. Now this will be the same as a Camry or a Solara and a lot of the Lexuses as well. But these hood support struts right here, these lift supports, these start to wear out after many years and they just won't hold the hood up. Super annoying to be working on a car under the hood and then have that hood come down on you, and of course it's not very safe. You probably already know this if you've got this issue, and you probably already have something to prop your hood up when you're trying to check the oil or work on something on your car. This one's barely staying up here with these support struts. They're all but worn out, and on a cold morning this will just completely fall down. They just won't support the hood like they're supposed to, and you can see that this hood just kind of falls down on its own, and not real safe to be working on a car, have that hood come down on you. But I'll show you how quickly and easy it is to change those. Just make sure you've got either someone to hold the hood up or have it propped up with something, and then just pry this little metal lock or this little metal clip off of the top piece here. That will allow this to just pop right off. Now, same with this bottom piece. It's a little bit harder to get at, but just because of this piece right here. But just pop that little metal clip up and out. But once that's popped up like that, it'll just slide right off. Now, to put the new one back on, just come over here, position that, and it'll just snap on. You don't even need to release that clip. Same with this top socket. Just push up a little bit on the hood to line that up and press it in place. Now with both of those replaced, look at the difference here. You can pull down on the hood part way and it just goes right back up nice and strong. And you're done. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to the parts used in the video as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.